Today we cooked the fried artichokes. Artichokes, they're very, very nice. They're very good. Okay, I got the best ones out. Then what we do, very simple. Paprika, pepper, salt. Mix up these. You don't see any pepper or paprika, put a little bit more. Yeah, 4 or 5 eggs, depends on the size, depends on how many artichokes you got. 5 of oil and canola oil. Olive oil is pretty expensive, but let's put a bunch of them in, okay? It's nice and full of egg. Make sure your hands are clean. Like me. Wasting a bag. With the flour, 3. Then you put them in the hot oil. Be careful because they may bubble up. If you do 2 or 3 packages and the oil could get a little gummy, then you can start over. When it's time, take them out, you test it. See if they're got enough salt. Hot. Oh, well. I mean, holy shit. Nicey. Too. Artichokes, they're very, very nice. They're very good. It sounded more Spanish, didn't it? It sounded like tuco. You know, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So, I lost my voice. I hope that helps. You got a problem, send me an email. I'll straighten it out for you. Okay, ciao, arrivederci. Have a nice life.